Want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Tuesday, October 26th, 7th, 2009, 4:36 p.m. Eastern. What a day. What a day. Oh, my goodness, what a day. It really was the euro. I would like to say the dollar, but the euro getting taken out to the woodshed and shot once again. The Swissy continues its little rally. And again, U.S. consumer confidence not good. Futures down nicely, but stock market really not down. Stock market really not down. And futures were down, though. And again, obviously, the euro risk aversion, they're just selling the euro. You know, it's obvious. So the stock market, this euro sterling move just has all been fostered, by the liquidity, the easy money. And we're seeing that when the stock market comes in, futures come in, risk aversion, they pounded the euro across the board. Now, again, as far as tonight's numbers are concerned, I think this Australian numbers are going to be weak. Let's look at the dollar index first. Let's go through the charts. Again, dollar index looking bullish. Major channel line resistance. Now, if the dollar index broke through its 30 EMA, I would think the other ones are going to probably break through it also. So keep that in mind when we're looking at these other charts. How the dollar index broke through the 30 EMA. We got big resistance up at 76.50, 76.40 in that zone. Big spot there. Taking a look at the futures. Well, we have our channel line here. We spoke about that. Futures easily. I don't know what people are talking about this 1050. I got 1030 as my spot on the futures. That's huge. That should hold. Yes, I see this channel line they're talking about. But that's pretty much busted. Bye-bye. So 1030 to me, that's where my put strike prices are. But that's where I think we're going. I haven't been making that much money in them. Oil, again, I still think crude comes in. There's no demand anywhere. There's an oversupply of oil. Crude inventory should be big tomorrow. Again, 76, I'm predicting oil should pull back to. Gold held up fairly well. I would have thought gold would have sold off a little more, a little bit of a doji. Gold could hold here. I think we have a little inline day. The dollar gets whacked, though. I would imagine gold, as long as it stays below this 1040 level, looks very good on the short side. All right, euro dollar. And again, remember, people, if you want to open up an account through Global with FXCM, your money's with FXCM, you will get my twits, my premium twits, for free. So all you got to do is email me at info, I-N-F-O, at globalfxradio.com. I'm more than happy to answer any questions you might have about that. Some of you have tried to do it. I don't know what your problem is, but again, there's no minimum, mini, and 100K only. I send out like 10, 15 premium twits a day. So euro dollar, notice where it is, at the 30 EMA. Big spot, but hey, dollar index broke through it. Why can't this? So again, what I think was more likely, I'm thinking this euro might bottom out around this channel line. So we get down to this 147.40 level, people, and we hit it in Asia, we might get a little reversal. It's possible. Watch that euro sterling. And if we break it and we take this out, say hello to my neckline. I mean, look, don't you see the head and shoulders forming here? We've been talking about this also. Look, there's your neckline 145, left shoulder, head, right shoulder going to develop. So if we break through here, we go to 145, and then we probably have a nice bounce off that. So keep that in mind. Don't be a deer in headlights. We crack through that channel line. There's going to be Momo. That's momentum. Dollar yen, as we showed you yesterday, was getting tired. A little bit of a hanging man. I like this close in dollar yen. I think it goes lower. I think dollar yen's coming down to 90. Not much, 80 pips. We'll take it, though. I think dollar yen easily come down 90.10 in that zone. Obviously stops today's highs, but I like the outside reversal today. Not outside yet, but pretty close. Sterling put up a monster fight today. Monster up in the day. I hear you, but I think Cable does a doink. Cable's going to play catch up. Enough already. Like one of these doinks, right? So look what happened here. Boom, boom. They hit it. Tried to rally, and failure. Today, I would like to have seen a little bit more of a failure. We didn't get that. Although I got to tell you right now, it's starting to push lower. And then look what happened the next day. Bang. Good night. Bye-bye. So I think Cable, we're going to get one of those days. A wipeout. Wipeout. So there's your sterling chart. Dollar Swiss, again, another one heading up to that 30 EMA. And we got our channel line here. And it's trying to bust through it. Where is it? I got so many different channel lines with this baby. Well, it did bust through this one. I'm sorry. Where was the other channel line? Damn it. I had one. All right, well, it bust through it. No, I did have one. It's too quick. It's too, yeah, right around here. It's busting through. I got to tell you, this thing, we could be talking 105. 105, easy. Big close. The Swissy over to 102.50. It's gone like the wind. Another one making a little late day comeback. This thing is unbelievable, this currency. Can't keep it down. CPI coming out. Look how far away that 30 exponential is. That's 89.50. Oh, baby. This sucker, I mean, we need gold and oil to really come in. But I got to tell you, I mean, I'm looking for 90.50 tonight. I don't know if we're going to get more than that, but it's due. I love Aussie yen. We're going to look at that in a second. Aussie yen was very good to us today. Love Aussie yen. But, I mean, I think this thing could pull into a channel line. We get that channel line. Oh, baby, that's 88.50. So if everything's pushing towards their 30, a bunch of them we've seen, right? I see no reason. And look at this. Dollar Canada's above the 30. Breaking out. Pull back at 106. I want in on this thing. Pulls back to the 30. That should be support. Love Luna Yen on a bounce. And New Zealand also, another one. Rolling over. 30 EMA. 73. And again, another head and shoulders brouhaha. Oh, by the let's do Euro Sterling first. Crushed. Rolled over. Big spot, this 90. We take out 90. Say goodnight. I think we might bounce off 90. I like Euro Sterling tonight in Asia. I think cable comes in Asia tonight. We probably have a bounce on a Euro Sterling sell-off, but in Asia, I can see Euro Sterling have a nice little rally. And let's go that Euro Canada trade. Look at that outside candle. Look at that gorgeous outside candle. It hit my channel line almost to perfection. I missed it by a couple of pips. This one, I lost money in cable today. I'm not that upset. I'm more upset about missing this trade. I was looking at it, chomping at the bit, waiting. Missed it. It's all right. 158, 158.50, 158.30. You got to be short. This baby's going back down 156 easy. Easy. All right, let's get to the yens. Euro yen. Oh, baby. Look at this. It's just begun. It's just begun, and I'm thinking about covering it. Nailed it. Oh, my goodness. We got my twit. It was my best idea all weekend. I couldn't wait for the market to open. Again, this 136 level scares me. I'm scared. I think tonight, I'm going to look to take half off. We break through 135, I'm going to start covering some. Absolutely. Prudent thing to do. It's come in too far, too fast. Should have some sort of a bounce. So Euro yen under 135, I'm going to look to start taking some off. But this baby, absolutely not. This one just getting started, baby. I like the action today. It rolled over. It held up fairly well. I don't think it's going to make it over 151 again. Double top. I think we roll over 149. Easy. Ooh, excuse me. Heartburn. Easy, if not 148. If not 148. Aussie yen. Love it. Bouncing off it a little bit. I still love it. I think we cracked through 83.50 like a hot knife in butter, and we're probably going to come into 82.50. Maybe even 81.50. Listen, 81 was the big breakout here. That's 80. I'm not saying we're going there, but certainly 82.20. That's another 200 pips, boys and girls. 200 pips. Luna yen. Yes, it was a doji. Any rally, I want to sell, sell, sell. All the carry trades look very weak. New Zealand yen. And again, remember, I am giving no more deals. No more deals anymore. It's only, $200 a month, 1 week free trial. And again, it's free for 1 week. So go to globalfxradio.com to sign up for my 1 week free trial. I will be doing deals again in December for a winter special. Until then, no soup for you. All right, it's about time we printed some money, and I think we're going to print some more money today in the next 24 hours. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, the only voice you will ever need, baby, who truly loves to make you money.